Okay, so I have tried out the Tops app this time, and they really bring it very quickly on time. I ordered them this morning, and it said it will arrive between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. this evening on the same day, and it came at like 6:30, so I'm very satisfied with that. And let me share with you what I got. Okay, first of all, I got a dozen of water. And this really helps because, you know, I had to be walking all the way to the supermarket and buying bottles of water every time and bringing that back, so it's really good to have them delivered like this. Okay. Let's look at the groceries. So I think these are the refrigerated stuff. Okay, what I got is salmon. This cost 300 baht. Yeah, I think it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, you want good quality fish. So, and I got some vegetables too. Spinach. Is this spinach? Yeah, this is spinach. Asparagus. And oh, also some meat. Chicken. So those are the fresh products that I got. Let's put them back and put it in the refrigerator. Now for the non-fresh products, as always, I have my oatmeal. I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes for my pasta, a box of tea bag, Twinings English breakfast tea, and refill for hand soap, and some face mask for my face because I've been having some skin troubles recently. So that's it. Oh man. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Gonna show you my groceries and let's get cooking. Lights on. Lights on. Let's wash my hands first, and I'll show you. Okie dokie. So, okay, let me introduce you what I got today. Boom. Boom. Natto. Yes. And another natto. And mint. Some myoga, if you know what these are. These are imported from Japan. They're called myoga. I'm not sure what you call them in English, but it gives a nice flavor to Japanese food. I usually put these in the miso soup, and yeah, it goes really well with tofu too. So that's why I have tofu as well. And I got some butter, salted New Zealand butter. Boom, here you go, yes. And as you always, yogurt. And today I have lemon because I am cooking the salmon that I just got, and just some potatoes for future use. Let's get cooking. Alright, so I am going to cook the salmon that I bought from Tops Market. This is just gonna be, yeah, a one meal dish. It's pretty nice, you know, looks nice. It's gonna be a very simple salmon, pan-fried salmon. I'm going to cook it in butter today with some lemon and asparagus. Salt and pepper. Simple and delicious and nutritious. Let's do it. Okay, so I've made a quick salmon plate with salmon, some asparagus, and leftover rice. So I just flipped over the salmon because I thought this was how I should eat it. And I put on some lemon. I squeezed some lemon onto it. Oh yeah. It smells fresh. Okay, itadakimasu. Let's dig in. Oh, look at this. Ooh. First bite. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Oh, I haven't had salmon like this for a long time. Let's try the asparagus. Mmm. I added some soy sauce to the asparagus, so I have to have some rice with this. I actually, to be honest, didn't think it would work out this well. Oh yeah. Let's try the salmon skin. Some people don't really like skin, but I like it, so I always eat it. It's the crispy and nice part. You should always have it. Salmon skin. It's crispy, and I kind of get that smoky flavor. What do you call this? I don't have any words to explain this because of my lack of vocabulary, but for those of you who like salmon skin, I know you know how it tastes. Here's my last bite. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Before we close up, I just want to share with you the TOPS app that I used to buy all the groceries for today. Here, let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, see right there, the TOPS app. You go into here and you can find all these. It's very convenient. You have all the categories up here, and then you just, you know, choose whatever you want. Say for example, I choose this, whatever, and I just add to cart, and that's done. It's added to cart, and you just keep on going like that. And for me, I had 3 options, like cash on delivery, credit card on delivery, or credit card online, and yeah, you can choose whatever you want to do. And if you're gonna use this app, I recommend you to buy heavy stuff like water, or I don't know, like detergents or whatever. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more of my vlogs, and see you next week.